and Tampa. Tonight, partly cloudy.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the counties or county affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather is threatening. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Synopsis. High pressure continues to